for free trade is important for Thailand. It help Thailand import necessary resource and technology and export goods to the global market, and free trade help improve Thailand competitive and support long-term economic growth.
And the free trade agreements is important in economic growth, like the new vendor trade of Thailand in 2025 go growth in 12 months in 19%. It show about the free trade importance and because to enhance the competitive with the other country and country develop. Yes.
The free trade is a of economic can help can accept change, can help country connect with the world, and can improve with the world, and when open economy will have the choice is the best to opportunity, can prepare country for the future, and free trade make you get benefit more and have unemployment increase.
And after this countries this group and listen about the topic, I will conclude the free trade and protectionism had the benefit and weakness, but now Thailand needs to use free trade more than because free trade can give more opportunity cause to make the Thailand have grow about the economy and worker and other more than protectionism.